got disrupted there. Don't know why. So I have good support here for the nails to curl on the inside. We usually lift this one so the nails don't come through because the line is further down than that, but in this case I think if you put the nails through here, come through there, it will hold this inside piece in place better for months and years to come. Let's go a little bit sideways. No need to leave nails out here like there, because we need them to hold the leather in place. There is a wooden shank here. Usually that's what the English shoes like Barkers would use. So we nail just right in the middle of that wooden shank to hold the shank in place as well. And everything will be secure. Five nails usually is enough. Hammer them well, and then I like to put 2 more nails just to hold the shank in place. Better one here on top and one at the bottom as well. Just have a cross pattern, as we call it in our trade. Cross pattern is always good for a shoe. So now this is secure as well. Stitching done. So back to restoring the color. Do a little bit of a design, like a V shape, just to cover all the nails. In that case, you do not have the customer looking at your old tricks of the trade. He just knows and feels that the shoe is good, is strong, is intact. Just put the paint deep in all the stitching channels as well. So just go with the sponge like V shape, yeah, and give it a bit of a shade like that and like that, like a patina on the leather. Everyone loves a bit of a patina, so yeah. And then here we're just going to use the neutral cream, because that will make the leather durable weather-wise as well. So when it rains and you're stepping on water, this will protect the leather not to absorb any water to go inside your feet. Plus all the stitching protects the leather as well as make it strong, so you get best of both. So once you let this dry for about 10 minutes, shoes are good to go. And that's all it takes. So sometimes to do a good job you don't have to go the extra mile, you just get it done with the basic principles of what we've learned over the years. So, oh yeah, here all you need is some of that there and some of that there. The shoe is dark navy, this paint is black, but once you blend them together like that, nobody will notice, nothing, and as good as new. So there you have it, new heel with the steel tip and the protective nails, non-slip, sole, inside stitch, outside stitch, double strength, leather treated well, a bit of a design, a bit of a patina, and it looks, well, when it dries out, better than factory. Thanks for looking, and we'll be back again with something different. Oh, and the cushioning the inside air feels amazing. And there's the inside stitching as well. Inside stitch, outside stitch, inside, outside. Good job. Thank you, people.